Welcome to my channel. Yeah, yes. The kids are doing their pumpkin carving. They're making, what you're making, guys? Jack-o'-lantern. Tulog na si Lincoln. Take care. Steady, ha?
Can I do a square?
Ha?
Can I do a square? There.
You done? Oh, you push it. What about Stephanie?
Pwede ba? Can you put the seats, mommy?
Yeah. Is it a lot? Madami siyang seat.
Not a lot.
Ano?
Not a lot. Right? Not a lot, right?
Wait, kunin mo yan, nak. Kunin mo yung ano doon, yung the small bucket.
Small bucket.
Yeah, put there the...
Seats?
Yes.
How about I get the ball, mommy? It's way easier, right?
What ball?
So you can get it out.
What ball?
The seats.
Look at Stephanie. She's doing well. Tingnan, nak.
Do you see this? Oh.
It's windy. It's windy. Tulog na si Lincoln.
Okay.
Naalin? Ayun, may nagdidig.
How do something easier na?
Ha?
How do something easier?
Are you having fun?
Go, right?
Stephanie?
No, I make an angry duck.
Huh?
I make angry.
Angry?
Yeah. I make angry duck. One little pumpkin sad. One little pumpkin angry, angry.
Can I see what you've done? Oh. Scary, oh.
Wait, do not mind
What
this.
about Stephanie? Are you having fun?
Yeah.
Let me see nga. Opo. Wow, nice.
It's tidy.
Oh, alright. Okay, James, what is your pumpkin?
It is a witch.
What is it?
It's a witch.
What did you make?
A witch?
Is that a witch?
Correct.
What about on the other side?
It's a jack-o'-lantern.
The jack-o'-lantern niya. What kind of jack-o'-lantern siya?
I made ordinary jack-o'-lantern.
Oh, you got two faces, ah. What about Stephanie? Can you tell me about your jack-o'-lantern?
It's a sad face.
It's a sad face.
Yeah.
Why you make a sad face?
Because they took the sad face.
Just that.
No, like that.
What was it? Na-murder. You murdered your pumpkin. What about Kuya? Very nice.
Correct.
Ganda. The other side. We'll ask Daddy who is the winner.
My time